Welcome, beautiful soul. You have arrived at this moment for a reason. Deep within, there is a part of you that knows you are meant for more. More love, more freedom, more abundance, more alignment with your true self. Today, in this sacred hour, we will awaken the powerful creator within you. This is your time to remember who you truly are. This is your time to rise. Begin by finding a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let your hands rest gently and close your eyes if you feel safe to do so. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold for a moment, and gently exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, hold, exhale fully. With each breath, allow yourself to soften. Let go of the tension in your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Release the grip of your thoughts. Breathe into your body. Breathe into this moment. As you settle, repeat silently to yourself, I am here, I am now, I am open to receive. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, the quiet pulse of life. Feel the energy there, warm and expansive. This is the center of your being, the gateway to your power. Place your hand gently over your heart and feel the life force that flows through you. Say to yourself, I am worthy, I am loved, I am enough. Today, we will walk the path of manifestation together. We will align your thoughts, your feelings, your energy with your desires. You will shift from hoping into knowing, from wishing into receiving. Let's begin with clarity. To manifest what you want, you must first be clear. What is it that your soul truly desires? Is it love, connection, financial freedom, creative expression, peace, joy, purpose? Take a moment to feel into your deepest desire. Don't overthink it. Let it rise naturally. Now see it in your mind's eye. Imagine it already done, already yours. What do you see? Where are you? Who is with you? What do you feel? Visualize it in rich detail. Feel the joy of receiving it, the peace of having it, the gratitude that fills you. Say this silently or aloud. I allow myself to receive this now. It is safe to receive. I am aligned with this reality. Manifestation is a process of alignment. The universe responds not to what we want, but to who we are being. So the question is not only what do you want, but who do you need to become to match that reality? What thoughts would that version of you think? What would they believe? How would they speak? How would they feel? Step into that version of you now. Breathe like them. Think like them. Feel what they would feel. Walk, talk, and radiate their energy. You do not need to wait for your reality to change before you feel different. You feel different, and your reality begins to change. This is your power. You are the creator. You are not separate from your desires. They are an extension of you. You would not desire them if they were not already possible. Say it now. My desires are divine. They are mine by right. I am aligned with them now. Let's take a moment to examine the beliefs you carry. Many of us were conditioned to believe we are not enough, that success is hard, that money is evil, that love must be earned. But those are just programs, stories passed down. They are not truth. And now, in this sacred space, you have the power to rewrite them. Say these new beliefs aloud or in your heart. I am worthy of success. I attract abundance with ease. Love flows to me freely. Everything I need is already within me. I am open. I am ready. I am receiving now. Feel the shift in your energy as you speak these truths. Your words are spells. Your voice is vibration. Every cell in your body is listening. Now bring your attention to your emotions. Emotion is energy in motion. It is the frequency you broadcast to the universe. If you want to attract love, feel love. If you want to attract abundance, feel abundant. If you want to attract peace, feel peaceful. Your feelings are your power. Choose them consciously. Take a deep breath and feel into the vibration of already having what you desire. Smile. Yes, smile now. Let your body feel it. Let it become real. Now, we move into inspired action. Manifestation is not passive. You are a co-creator. Ask yourself, what is one small action I can take today that brings me closer to my dream? It could be a phone call, a post, a bold move, a decision. Trust the nudge, follow the whisper. Act with faith, not fear. Every aligned action moves energy. Every step is a signal to the universe. I am serious about my dream. And now we release. We surrender the outcome. We let go of the how, the when, the control. Because true power lies in trust. Trust that what is meant for you is already on its way. Say it with me. I release all resistance. I trust the timing. I trust the process. I am in flow. Now we anchor in gratitude. Gratitude is the magnet for miracles. It is the highest frequency of receivership. Think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. Feel the emotion rise in your heart. Now, think of your desire and give thanks for it as if it's already done. Say, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so grateful. And now we repeat the truth. I am powerful. I am aligned. I am abundant. I am love. I am already everything I wish to become. Let these words soak into your subconscious. Let them rewire your mind. Let them become your truth. You are a magnet for miracles. You are a vessel for divine creation. You are limitless. This is your new normal. This is your power. This is your life. Breathe deeply into this truth. Hold this vibration as you move forward. You are manifesting every moment. Now you do it consciously. Now you do it with love. Thank you for showing up for yourself. Thank you for remembering your power. Your manifestations are already on their way. And so it is. Comment below what you're manifesting and claim it. Subscribe to raise your vibration with me every week. Like if you're open to receive more abundance,